Hi, Lou Mosca here in sunny Orlando, Florida, Chief Operating Officer of American Management Services. And today's topic is inventory. And I don't know that I've ever talked about inventory before, but I want folks to think about it like this. If you're a manufacturer, you have the money tied up in inventory. If you're a retailer, you have money tied up in inventory. Wholesaler, distribution, restaurant, you have money tied up in inventory. And how you control that inventory is mission critical to you. So, I always believe that the company's biggest asset and most valuable asset is its people, right? But inventory is critical if you are in that kind of business. So too often do I find that people are so hung up on building inventory. They want to have more stuff. They want to make sure they have everything that their customer or their client might request. Then they just keep spending money. And it's just crazy. Your money should be focused on the items that you turn the quickest and give you the best margin. Turn the quickest and give you the best margin. And I'm going to tell you, so many times I see our clients, they want to buy fancy ERP systems or CRM systems or whatever that they think is going to be the answer. The answer is just damn discipline. You should know what your top items are that you sell, what the best margin is on those items, and those are the ones you should be focusing your dollars on. If your inventory is out of skew and it's not focused that way, you're going to waste money. You're not going to get turns. You're not going to make the margins you should, and you're going to have cash flow problems sooner or later. So I'm telling you, inventory is an issue for folks, and you should dedicate the proper time and energy to it and control it the way it should be controlled, okay? Thanks for listening to me today. In addition, look for our podcast that's going to be coming out soon on iTunes. It's going to be pretty cool. It'll help you out a lot. Stay well.